So I got here, at the charger here, and let's see if it works. Everything works. It's very, very hot today. There's another guy, so I'm going to split the speed, and which sucks. Yeah, starting. Let's see the speed. Let me put you down here. The speed is 37 kilowatts, so this sucks. Let's shut off the lights. Yeah, unfortunately the speed is very low because there is another guy here. I'm sorry for him, but this charger, they split the power, the speed, so I'm charging to 80 or 85, depends. It's 36 degrees Celsius outside. I preheat the battery, even if it's not a supercharger, because it was listed in the navigation, so I could preheat the battery, which is good. Okay, so as soon as this guy beside me goes away, I can charge a bit more. Anyway, let's do the Supercharger Talk number 16. There are several news around the Tesla world. So first one, there is a new Model Y in the US, and they give to I think to other models too, two options to buy more miles. So there is a $1,000 will add 30 miles, and $1,600 will add 50 miles. It's basically a feature like the acceleration boost that Model Y or Model 3 real wheel and long range can have. I'm not sure if it's available still. So basically you buy more miles, okay? Which means that the car is able to have more miles, but they were they were not enabled when you purchase the car, but you can buy it later on, which is a weird thing. Now Tesla is signing, the energy sector is signing contracts left and right, and they have a new contract for 30 years on Megapacks deals. And basically the batteries, if you think about it, when you talk about energy, we'll talk about base loads, and the base loads is basically energy that is always there, okay? Usually it's provided by coal plants and nuclear gas plants and all that kind of stuff, okay? But most of these guys, actually all of these, the ones that I mentioned, are being replaced everywhere in the world by batteries. And so batteries, even if they don't produce energy, but they store energy and they give it back, they're becoming the base load everywhere. And they are all cheaper. Wind and solar are cheaper production energy than the other ones. And batteries are becoming cheaper and cheaper and cheaper. So it's a big deal, okay? So the other thing that I wanted to mention is Tesla summer update, which is the 2024.26.1 has been spotted, and it has bunch of new features. Let me check the site that I usually go to. Yeah, accept, okay, whatever. And let me check the version 2026 new features. Oh, okay, so it has a bunch of new features. So and they're adding more and more feature, or discovering more and more feature. There is a go on green, basically traffic lights and stop sign control beta feature no longer require explicit driver confirmation to continue straight through the intersection. This I think is for FSD. Okay, this one. Then there is a vision speed limit. Although it will appear the speed limit sign. Not relevant here in Italy. Okay, so we don't care. Amazon Music. So if you have Amazon Prime, you will have Amazon Music, or if you subscribe to Amazon Music, Prime members get access to 100 million songs in shuffle mode. So I would have, which good. Custom Doom Bad Classic is a game. There are 2 or 3 games, new games. Parental control. This is a big deal. So parents will be able to put a set of limits on the car. So you can enable parental control with a pin on your vehicle, set a maximum speed limit, limit acceleration to chill, turn on safety features such as speed limit warning, automatic emergency braking, and forward collision warning, configure a night curfew to receive notification through the Tesla mobile app when a vehicle is driven past curfew, which is funny, but pretty cool. So there are a bunch of new parental control feature, which are pretty cool. This I like this, weather forecast and air quality. So basically you will have notification for the weather that's going on, but also air quality. So here in Florence it's very polluted, and I would like to have this air quality so that I can turn on a bioweapon when the air is bad. Okay. I also would like to see an option where if air pollution is above a certain limit, the bioweapon filters will turn on automatically. That would be great. Then you can schedule charge and preconditioning. That's always welcome. Then there is a navigated sub destination. So if you put a destination and navigation, you can add a sub destination. Okay, so you can navigate to that destination first, and then continue to the other destination that you put in. And then other updates. There is a Battle of Polytopia, okay, which is a game. Vampire Survivors, another game. Oh, this is cool. A redesigned climate panel allows you to select more comfort, your comfort settings with easy. So they redesigned the air conditioning, the climate control panel. And then when in auto, the fan speed may continue automatically lower to reduce the sound, the ambient noise during the phone call. Then Zoom meetings. Now by default go to full screen, okay? And then Tesla mic is now supported in conjunction with availability in Tesla Store. Security improvements, okay? This update includes security improvements. Primary control, okay. So these are all the changes that we look for. Most likely there are a bunch of other ones that are undocumented. I noticed some posts online. They were talking about new features and new undocumented changes, but we need to wait this release. And this release actually is getting out, so some people are getting it. So hopefully soon I'll get it too, and I will make a video. In the meantime, please subscribe, put a like, and help me to share more these videos. Another news about the Cybertruck, which became the best-selling truck in the US, and they sold 12,000, around that number. Also, news of today, Elon Musk posted that the Cybertruck is getting FSD with the release of 12.5. So pretty cool news for the Cybertruck owners, which here in Europe we envy, because it's not in Europe sold. So, and I don't think anytime soon. maybe next year or in a couple of years. And those are all the news for Supercharger Talk number 16. I'm going to wait for my charge to finish. Unfortunately, it's very slow because there is a guy beside me. I'll talk to you in a bit. Maybe I have some more news. I'm going to check about this new software release. And I'll see you in a bit. So, I'm done charging. I'm 85. Unlock the door. Okay. And let me unlock this guy. And done. Okay, great. So the guy from the ID3 Volkswagen ID3 was beside me left, and I could charge at 70 kilowatts. Now there is another guy with the, I think it's a Jeep Revenge. Pretty cool. So anyway, Supercharger Talk number 16. Please leave a like, turn on notifications, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on next video. Ciao Tesla people.